Bookmarked. Today we'll be discussing a few children's classic books.
Books should be an important part of every childhood.
So we thought we would discuss a few titles which every one of you should have read by now.
And if you haven't, well, that's what we're here to change, aren't we?
Yeah.
My favorite Roald Dahl book is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory.
Wait, really? I thought you liked Roald Dahl's The BFG or The Twits.
Well, I actually love almost all of Roald Dahl's books. Matilda, Danny the Champion of the World. Because let's face it, one does not simply choose just one Roald Dahl book to love.
But my favorite book is Charlotte's Web by E.B. White. It's about the friendship between a spider and a pig. Let that sink in. But it's a book that will really get you dreaming and fuel your imagination.
Then, there is The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, which is a super duper classic by Mark Twain. It's about this boy, his friend Tom Sawyer, and their adventures.
What about Shel Silverstein's The Giving Tree?
And
Marjorie Williams' The Velveteen Rabbit.
oh, will you let me speak? What about Treasure Island by Robert Louis Stevenson? These are all classics.
And such great classics they are that they have been developed into movies, TV shows, and numerous cartoons.
Yes, but you have to admit, the books are so much better to read.
True that. The list of children's classics is a really long one. But children are children for so long, so they have a lot of time to read. So let's recap.
So first, we had Roald Dahl's books.
Then we had E.B. White's Charlotte's Web.
Then we had The Giving Tree by Shel Silverstein and The Velveteen Rabbit.
And lastly, we had Robert Louis Stevenson's Treasure Island. Our favorite 5 children's books for this week are
The Haunted Library by Dorrie Haylstead Butler,
Death by Toilet Paper by Donna Gafford,
The Farmer and the Clown by Marla Frazee,
Oliver and Patch by Claire Friedman and Kate Hindy,
and lastly, Junie B. Jones by Barbara Park.
Mr. Leprechaun says that you should all go and read these books.
And we'll be back next week with more books and even more reviews.
Until then, keep it bookmarked. Bye!
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.